This is how to buy index funds on Moomoo. Once you guys open up Moomoo, go to the bottom left and select the markets icon. Once you're on this page right here, you can actually view global indices right here. So at the top where it says global indices, you can go ahead and select that. Once you're here, you can actually scroll down and view an index that you want to buy a fund of. So I will just use the S&P 500 as an example right here under America, and I will select that. Once you're on this page right here, you can actually go ahead and select the ETFs option, and then you can go ahead and select a US traded or a Canadian traded ETF. I will just keep it at Canadian for this example. Then if I were to scroll down, you can find an ETF or an index fund that is what you're looking for. So I will just go ahead in this example and use this one, ticker symbol HXS, as an example. Once you have your index fund or your ETF selected, go to the bottom left and press trade, and then press buy. Then once you're on this page, you can go ahead and make sure that buy is selected. You can then change the order type, which I will do in this case, to market. Once that is done, you can type in the amount of shares or the dollar value. So for example, one share will then show you the price right here. Once that is done, you can then go to the bottom and press buy if you want to proceed with the transaction. But that is how you guys can buy index funds on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.